Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura MDX remote battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, or even a coin can work, and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. It's a good idea to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you don't misplace any tiny components. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes. Now, let's open up the remote case. Look closely at the side of your key fob. You'll find a small notch or slot. This is where your tool comes in handy. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or the edge of a coin into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the remote should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery nestled inside. Carefully remove this depleted CR 2032 battery. It's important to note its orientation before removal. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your fresh CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the remote, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Double-check that there are no gaps around the edges. Once it's closed, take a moment to test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.